Hello guys. Welcome in my new video. Today, I will talk about the Morse codes in Dress to Impress that me and one other person have found. Well, let's begin.
I'm by your side. We're superheroes. We can save the world together. Take my hand. Say you wanna believe again. Life is what we make it. Just stop thinking it's a dream. Feel alive. Bring the magic back in your life.
The codes were found by me and one of my besties, Molly. The Morse codes can be found in the new quest for Valentine's Day. Me and Molly think they are in an order. I found the first Morse code dot in the quest's lobby. The translation is something like, "When two worlds collide, the truth is finally revealed." Molly found the second code in chapter 1 dot behind a fallen bookshelf, and she showed me it. We think the Morse codes may be connected with the Lana lore. I used ChatGPT to translate the Morse code, and it translates it as, "Who of her distant past comes back to haunt her?" Maybe it's about Lana. And Molly found the third Morse code in chapter 2. I translated it again, and it says something like, "An eye for an eye was the deal struck to offer the gift of FSRGG, the falsehood of her existence." It says FSRGG may be in error. We think there will be more Morse codes coming in the update on February 15th. What are your thoughts and opinions? Feel free to share them in the comments down below. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.